What up guys, it's your boy Breezy Kumalo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys, I'm sure you must be wondering like why I have this beautiful M5 I'm saying M5 A45 here. It's because that uh, well, every time like I on my laptop, I find it like very simple to get my mindset in the right way, because I'm attracting this A45 to be mine, and I know that it will be mine like soon. It won't be like that far for me to actually own this car. But let's get to today's video. So today we are going to do the pre-market analysis on GBP pairs only, and like I only trade this GBP pairs. It's like three of them. So it's GBP USD, GBP GPY, and GBP CAD. So here we have the GBP USD, right? So this is on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, guys, we can see that okay, price have been pushing to the downside. Price have been pushing to the downside and corrected to the downside, and we had the confirmation here, like this support areas. It's all way back there. Let me just try and show you guys what I'm talking about, instead of me just mentioning something and not showing it to you. This was our previous support areas. It was on this one. So price came here and just price gave us the bullish engulfing, like you see here. So okay, now we see that the momentum now is to the upside now. So let us drop down time frames and go to 4 hours. I'll try to keep this video short as possible so that it is affordable to everyone out there in terms of the data. So yeah guys, we can actually see now that okay, we have our falling wedge that we have right here. So from the top side you can see that we had our first touches, second touches, and third touches around there, and then our price broke out like we expected it to do. And I think it was on last week we anticipated a buy on GBP USD. I think it was around this area, that right here. That's yeah, this candlestick somewhere around here. I don't even remember what, but we're not aiming like too far. I went short on this one. I was looking at that. Let me just remove stop losses was just here, and then I wanted price. I thought price would correct to this point here, but price just impulse to the upside, so we took profits on this one. So yeah, this is what we have now. So we have the falling wedge and a breakout of the falling wedge. So I like to draw my management line here. I like to draw my management line here so that this guides me of what's exactly happening about price. So as you can see from our management line, these are our higher lows. So this is the first touch, second touch is here. Maybe price can drop, give us third touches here, or go to the upside, or price will just respect the continuation pattern to the upside that we will see much more clearly on 1 hour or 15 minutes, I guess. So yeah, we have our structures on 4 hour. We're satisfied. Now let's drop time frames to 1 hour time frame. Is so price here, we can see that price had a push to the upside. We have a double bottom scenario. Price put to the upside, and now it is correcting, giving us a continuation pattern, a bullish symmetrical triangle. So yeah, price gave us that correction, and we have our resistance areas that right there. So yeah, we are waiting for price to actually break out of the structures. As you can see, on Friday it tried to break out, but it rejected. So it was not wise for us to take this trade on Friday, hold it, maybe we'll watch it on Monday or something. It was not that wise for us. So yeah, this is what we have on 1 hour time frame. Let's just go to 15 minutes time frame. So here I was like I send this on my telegram public channel. So I was like, so here we have two types of scenarios. if it happens that price breaks our management line, which is this one, our management line, then we are going to take sales. But if it breaks to the upside, we are going to take buys to the upside. Like I said, we're waiting for these resistance areas to be broken. Let me just highlight it to you. We're waiting for these resistance areas to be broken so that we can take our buys to the upside. But the reason why I put this to the upside, this entry I'll be taking on my own, and this will be the reduced risk entry for the members in the Telegram public group, so that I won't have to worry about this trade, because I know that now the risk is reduced, so yeah, we are looking to be profitable when it comes to this one. So now let us go to GBP CAD. Let us go to GBP CAD, start off on daily time frame also. So on GBP CAD, we almost had like the same thing. Like I told you guys that these pairs are correlated, so we almost like have the same thing type away. So we see that price also here was pushing to the downside in an impulsive manner. Now it started to correct to the downside and gave us the descending. Here we have the descending structures, which normally breaks to the upside. On GBP USD we have the falling wedge. So yeah, here we see the momentum also, that okay, now the momentum is to the upside. Like you see here, we have the double bottom structures, and now price broke to the upside. So let us move to the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, we have like so let me remove this is no longer valid, and this one here, it's no longer valid. So yeah, we see that okay, now I have my arrows here pointing that it's either we are going to the upside or we are going to the downside if price respects this resistance area that we have here. But I doubt that price will go to the downside. So as you guys can see, we had an impulsive candlestick going to the upside. It came back, treated this previous resistance now as support, and price broke out again on the structures, came back, retested. So now we are waiting for a push to the upside, maybe from here or to the 90% rule. That's what we are waiting for, right? So okay, let us get into it, guys. So this is 4 hours time frame. I like drew my zones here. I drew my zones like the ones that I'm actually looking for right now. So I won't draw like the zone like here, and again the zone from the top. So I'm just drawing the most recent zones that I'm looking forward to. So here on the 4 hours we have our story. Let us go to 1 hour. So the reason why I have these arrows here is because of this, right? So price broke out, came back, retested. Now price went up in an impulsive manner. So I'm like, if price can break above this resistance areas, we're going to take our buys. But if price like respects this resistance area, then we're going to take the sales all the way to the downside to the 90% rule, right? So yeah, we do have that, but I doubt that price may go to the downside. But hey, we are not market makers, guys. We are not market makers. So let us drop down time frame, so 15 minutes time frame. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also comment below and tell me which topics would you like me to cover, or tell me how do you feel about this video, if you find it productive for you or not. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this beautiful rising wedge pattern, and we have the first touches here, second touch is there also, and on the top side we also have those touches there. So this one also I also sent it to the members in the Telegram group. I was like, we have the rising wedge pattern here, so price may go down or price may break above the support, the resistance area. I mean the resistance area, I should fix that. We just have to manage this beautiful one here. So yeah, we're just going to observe this. As soon as the market opens, we're going to observe this one here and see what does it has for us, what does it have for us. So yeah, but I'm glad that we obviously broken this previous high. Oh, that's why we didn't break this previous high. Like price rejected massively, and price still rejecting from this previous high. So we might have the double top scenario. Oh, price may just continue breaking for new highs. Yeah, so we are done about GBP CAD.